because a lot of people say and compare you to this person, to Elephant Man in Jamaica. How do you hear this a lot? Like, what's the history with that?
Elephant Man is a good friend of Ragga Ruggie, same school.
Right.
And the people them know the truth. So I not forgetting like everything on YouTube they can put in 12-year-old Ragga Ruggie. They can put in Ragga Ruggie at 16 and you saw all those stunts from when I was a kid. So I not come here come disrespect a legend cause
yeah, of course. Elephant
at the bar same way and we're all family, we all live in music, so we don't here to dissell it. We just here to do full work and
that's it.
Entertain people and entertain poor people.
Yeah.